Here we have two unreinforced polyester casts. The left-hand panel is an unmodified orthophthalic. The right-hand panel is the same orthophthalic resin with a Phyrolex Flame Retardant powder dispersed into the resin. This video will demonstrate that Phyrolex is the first flame retardant system to offer effective intumescent protection for resins such as polyesters. In the early stages of the test, the flame spread is comparable on both panels. However, once the intumescent activates and forms a char, you can see that it protects the underlying substrate, resulting in the flames receding and the smoke level dropping. Meanwhile, the combustion on the unprotected panel is spreading. The intumescence in the Phyrolex loaded panel is now offering sufficient protection to the substrate that the flames are now only burning up half the height of the panel with no lateral flame spread. The combustion on the unmodified panel is continuing to increase, and in the real world environment it would already be causing the fire to spread to the surrounding area. The difference in smoke production is now clearly visible. The volume of black smoke being produced on the unmodified panel is sufficient that if this were a closed environment, the smoke would already be a problem. The smoke production from the Phyrolex loaded panel is negligible. The combustion of the unmodified panel is reaching uncontrollable levels. The flames are extending 4 or 5 centimeters above the specimen and the fire is spreading sideways. The flame spread on the Phyrolex modified panel remains the same with no lateral flame spread. The burners have been turned off. The Phyrolex loaded panel has stopped burning, whereas the unmodified panel continues to burn and produce lots of black smoke. The unmodified panel has split down its entire length. There is indications of combustion through the entire thickness of the panel. There are indications of very significant lateral flame spread. Phyrolex loaded panel has an incandescent char extending approximately 5 inches up the panel. There are no indications of any lateral flame spread, and with the soot removed it is possible to see the extent of combustion is approximately 4 to 5 inches.